If I told you that even today, in a state like Florida, you can buy a real house for under $200,000, you probably wouldn't believe it. Because whenever we think about Florida real estate, the first image that comes to mind is beachfront luxury homes, massive villas, and million-dollar properties. Over the past few years, the housing market in the United States has grown so rapidly that for an average person, buying a home is becoming more and more difficult. In today's time, owning a house in a popular state like Florida almost feels like a dream. But the truth is, behind these high prices, there's another side of the market that very few people actually talk about. And for you, I've found properties and houses that could turn out to be a very good investment. In this video, I'll be showing you everything from expensive homes to some surprisingly affordable ones. And one of the houses is unbelievably cheap, which might even be cheaper than your car. Just $49,000. Yes, a full house. Florida is not just famous for its beaches and vacation lifestyle. It is also considered one of the most popular destinations in the United States for retirees. The warm climate, peaceful environment, and strong community culture attract people who want to live a relaxed and comfortable life after retirement. In many areas of Florida, you'll find neighborhoods where people of a similar age group live together, creating a natural sense of belonging and safety. The lifestyle here isn't fast-paced. It's balanced, calm, and ideal for retirement living. But it's not just about the environment. Florida is also a strong choice when it comes to practical living. In most residential areas, you'll find grocery stores, pharmacies, hospitals, and medical centers located nearby, making daily life extremely convenient. Access to emergency services and healthcare is also relatively strong, which is a major factor for retirees. On top of that, parks, walking areas, community centers, and recreational facilities are easily accessible, helping people stay active and socially connected. Because of this combination, Florida is not just a place to live. It becomes a complete lifestyle. And as I mentioned earlier, in this video, you'll see everything from higher-priced homes to more affordable options. We've done a lot of research to bring you these properties. We even contacted agents to gather accurate information, and for the final house, we personally visited the location. This video took a lot of time and effort to create, so make sure you watch it till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next opportunity. And let me know in the comments which house you like the most and which state you'd like us to cover next. Now, let's get started. 14,549 Dulce Real, Fort Pierce, Florida. Featuring 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, priced at just $129,000. Inside the home, you'll find approximately 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making it a perfect fit for a small to mid-sized family. The living room is open and comfortable, allowing you to easily set up a cozy seating arrangement. The kitchen is functional and designed in a way that connects seamlessly with the dining and living areas, creating a beautiful and connected living space. This home also features sliding doors and windows, which enhance the overall living experience, along with laminate flooring throughout the entire house. The bedrooms are well-sized, providing both privacy and comfort, while the bathrooms are convenient for everyday use. You also get 1-car parking with this property. When it comes to property tax, it's just around $387 per year, which is less than what many people spend on coffee in a month. This is a single-roof home built in 2005 with a total area of approximately 1,351 square feet. Additionally, the house includes a laundry room, and in terms of utilities, you get a central heating and cooling system that covers your essential needs. This home is located in a quiet and residential area of Fort Pierce, a coastal city on Florida's East Coast. The area is known for its relaxed environment, growing development, and proximity to the Atlantic Ocean. From this location, you're just about 10 to 15 minutes away from the beach, making it a great option for those who want to enjoy a coastal lifestyle without paying high beachfront prices. The neighborhood is peaceful, with low traffic and a suburban feel, making it ideal for families and long-term residents. And at $129,000, this could be considered a great opportunity for buyers. When it comes to weather, Florida offers a warm climate year-round. Summers can be hot and humid, while winters are mild and comfortable, which is a major advantage for retirees and anyone looking for a relaxed lifestyle. This makes the property not just a place to live, but part of a complete lifestyle experience. For daily convenience, the location works well. Grocery stores, gas stations, and essential services are easily accessible nearby. Additionally, Fort Pierce is well connected to nearby cities like Port St. Lucie, where you'll find more shopping centers, healthcare facilities, and job opportunities. Overall, this home is a great option for first-time buyers, small families, and investors looking for a budget-friendly property with long-term potential. It offers a strong balance of affordability, location, and ownership, something that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in today's market. And this was the first home on our list. Coming up next, you'll see even more impressive properties. Now let's move to our next property, located at 373 North Grove Isle Circle in Vero Beach, Florida. This home is located inside a well-maintained and gated 55-plus community called Grove Isle in the Florida Ridge area. This location offers a very peaceful and secure environment, especially ideal for retirees or anyone looking for a calm lifestyle. The road connectivity here is also quite good. Internal roads are smooth, and there is easy access to main highways, allowing you to connect easily to Vero Beach and nearby cities. Now, let's talk about the home itself. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom condo with approximately 913 square feet of living space, built in 1986, with price only for $149,000. The unit is located on the second floor, which provides better ventilation and a slightly elevated view. As soon as you enter, you'll notice a clean and modern interior with recent remodeling, including fresh paint, new flooring, and updated finishes. The living room is spacious and designed with an open layout that connects smoothly to the dining area. The kitchen has also been upgraded with white cabinets, granite countertops, a tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances, making it both modern and functional. Both bedrooms are well-sized and include large walk-in closets, so storage is not an issue. The bathrooms are fully equipped and convenient for daily use. One of the highlights of this home is the screened-in patio, where you can enjoy a beautiful lake view, perfect for relaxation. In addition, the home includes in-unit laundry with a washer and dryer, along with a central heating and air conditioning system to ensure year-round comfort. You also get an assigned covered parking space. Now let's talk about the lifestyle and amenities of this property, which are one of its biggest highlights. The community offers multiple recreational facilities, including swimming pools, a fitness center, a clubhouse, and sports options such as tennis courts. Residents can also enjoy walking paths, social activities, and community events, creating a strong sense of community, especially for retirees. The presence of water, features like ponds and lake views, makes the entire environment even more peaceful. However, there is one important thing to keep in mind. This is a condo, which means you will have to pay a monthly HOA fee of around $565. This fee includes maintenance, water, insurance, and access to community amenities, but it is an ongoing cost that buyers should consider. When it comes to weather, Vero Beach offers a warm climate throughout the year. Summers can be hot and humid, while winters are mild and comfortable, making it ideal for a retirement lifestyle. This climate is also very suitable for outdoor activities and staying active. Overall, this property is best suited for retirees, couples, or individuals looking for a low-maintenance lifestyle in a secure and amenity-rich community. It may not be ideal for large families or buyers looking for full land ownership, but for comfort, convenience, and community living, this can be a great option. And this was another interesting property on our list. Moving ahead, let's see what the next property has to offer. Now let's move to our next property, located at 1014 Eagle Drive in Winter Haven, Florida, and it's priced at just $65,000. Yes, you heard that right. Just $65,000 for a home in Florida. At first glance, this might sound like an unbelievable deal, especially in today's housing market where prices continue to rise. But as always, it's very important to understand exactly what you're getting at this $65,000 price point. Now let's talk about the home itself. This property was built in 1992. It offers approximately 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making it suitable for a small family or a couple. The layout is compact but functional, including a simple living area, a practical kitchen, and decently sized bedrooms. You can also get this home with an estimated payment of around $415 per month. At this $65,000 price, the home covers basic living needs. Inside, you'll find a simple interior. The living room is small but usable. The kitchen is basic and functional, and the bedrooms provide essential comfort. You won't find luxury finishes here, but for $65,000, it still offers a livable space. The windows allow natural light, and the overall structure is built with affordability in mind. This home is located in Winter Haven, a city known for its lakes and peaceful lifestyle. The road connectivity here is decent, and through nearby highways you can easily connect to major cities like Orlando, which is about a 45-minute drive away. For daily needs, grocery stores, gas stations, pharmacies, and basic services are available within a short distance, making life manageable even at this $65,000 price point. You might also be seeing some details on your screen where it is clearly mentioned that the home size is around 1,704 square feet. When it comes to nearby parks, you'll find Central Park just about an 11-minute drive away, along with Lake Conine Park and Haines City Parks and Recreation. However, and this is very important to understand, this is a mobile home. And because it is a mobile home, you need to carefully consider this property before making a decision. When it comes to weather, Winter Haven offers a warm climate throughout the year. Summers can be hot and humid, while winters are mild and comfortable. That's why even at an affordable price like $65,000, this location becomes attractive for retirees or anyone looking for a warmer lifestyle. In terms of lifestyle, this property is best suited for budget buyers, retirees, or individuals who want to live in Florida with a low upfront cost. It may not be ideal for families looking for long-term investment, but if someone is searching for an entry-level property in Florida at $65,000, this could still be an option. So while the $65,000 price may look very attractive, it's important to understand the full picture before making a decision. And this was one of the most affordable properties on our list. Moving ahead, let's see what kind of value you can get at a slightly lower price range. Now let's move to our next property, located at 5601 Duncan Road, Unit 105, Punta Gorda, Florida. And it's priced at just $49,900. Yes, just $49,900 for a home in Florida. At this price of $49,900, the property instantly grabs attention. But let's take a closer look at what you're actually getting for this $49,900. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home with approximately 1,296 square feet of living space, built in 1997. And the most interesting part is that at just $49,900, this home comes fully furnished, meaning it's completely move-in ready. As you enter the house, you'll notice a well-decorated interior with a bright and welcoming living room that connects to the dining area. The kitchen is designed in a galley style and includes essential appliances such as a refrigerator, microwave, oven, dishwasher, and even a washer and dryer, all included in this $49,900 price. The bedrooms are spacious and comfortable, especially the master bedroom, which features a walk-in closet and an attached bathroom with a walk-in shower. One of the standout highlights of this home is the enclosed Florida lanai, which has been recently updated and offers a perfect space for relaxation. The flooring is a mix of carpet and tile, and the home also includes a central heating and air conditioning system, making this $49,900 home even more comfortable. Now let's talk about the exterior and additional features. This home is located on a corner lot, which gives you more space and privacy. You also get a 2-car driveway with a covered carport, along with a shed that includes a workbench, very useful for storage or small projects. The surrounding greenery adds to the peaceful and natural feel of the property. But the biggest highlight of this property is the lifestyle you get at $49,900. The home is located inside a gated 55-plus community, offering amenities such as a swimming pool, jacuzzi, fitness center, clubhouse, tennis courts, pickleball courts, a billiards area, and a library. Talking about the location, Punta Gorda is a well-known area in Southwest Florida with good road connectivity. Nearby grocery stores, shopping centers, and essential services are easily accessible. Beaches and waterfront areas are also within driving distance, making the lifestyle even more attractive. However, and this is very important to understand, this is a mobile or manufactured home. When it comes to weather, Punta Gorda offers a warm climate throughout the year. Summers can be hot and humid, while winters are mild and comfortable, which is a big advantage for retirees. Overall, this property is best suited for retirees or individuals looking for a low upfront cost and a community lifestyle. At $49,900, it offers many features. All the property links you've seen in this video will be available in the video description. These were some unique properties. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. Thank you.